Hey guys, it's Sarah from Hair to Dream, and here's an Infinity-3 strand braid combo. To start this hairstyle, make a part down the center of the head. I already completed the right side, but you can tie the right side into a ponytail while we work on the left side. So take a small section from the top and split it into 2 strands. Now take a small section from the left side, and you're going to take that section and you're going to go under the left strand, over the right strand, and that's 1 under over, then under the right strand, over the left strand, that's 2 under overs, then under over, this is 3, and then under over again, and I usually stop at 4, but I got distracted and lost my count, so in this video I do 6. So then you just combine it with the strand that you go over last. And then you take a section from the right side and you go under the right strand, over the left strand, that's 1 under over, then you go under over, that's 2, under over, this is 3, and then under over, this is 4, and you combine it with that right strand that you went over last. And this is the pattern that you'll continue to do all the way down the head. I know wrapping it around under and over 4 times seems like a lot, but this is the only way I am able to get my infinity strands to stay put. And sometimes 3 works for me, or 3.5 works for me, but you can find out what works best for you. And then make sure the sections that you're adding in from both the right side and the left side are as equal as possible, because this will give your infinity braid an even look. Then when you get to the bottom of the head, tie it with an elastic. Then take the remaining hair, split it into 3 strands, take the right side, cross it under the middle, the left side, cross it under the middle, and vice versa, all the way down. This is a Dutch braid. You can also do a French braid, or just any normal 3-strand braid will do. Make sure you secure your 3-strand braid with an elastic, fold it up, place it right next to the infinity braid, and then secure with bobby pins all the way up. For the end of the braid, I just tucked it underneath itself and then tucked the ends in and secured with a bobby pin. And that's it. You do the same thing on the other side. I thought this hairstyle was going to come out by the end of the day, but it stayed all day. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tag Hair to Dream if you try it.